So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to code Arduino in VSCode. You must have the standard Arduino IDE installed on your machine first. The VS extension doesn't replace the compilers, it bridges into them background. Just launch VSCode, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus X to open the extensions marketplace. Search for VSCode Arduino, then click Install. Connect your physical Arduino board to your machine's USB port, then restart VSCode to ensure it detects your environment variables. Now, once it opens as Arduino file, look at the bottom blue status bar in VSCode. This margin houses your quick toggle hardware configuration. Just select your board type by clicking on this in the blue bar and select Arduino or Genuino, Uno, or whichever microcontroller board you are using. Then click Select Programmer in the status bar and choose AVR ISP for standard Arduino AVR boards. And finally, to select serial port, press Ctrl plus Shift plus P to bring up the command palette. Type Arduino, then select serial port and choose the active USB COM port that matches your plugged-in device. And finally, open the command palette, then type Arduino examples and hit enter. Then run your first code test. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. And drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next. And I will see you on the next video.